Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out this cordless rotary tool from Hardell. They sent out a rib nut setter a little while back. I've got a link to that video right here. The cordless rotary tool is going to be basically a replacement for what we would traditionally call a Dremel. Obviously this one's corded, this one's old. So when I had the opportunity to check out their cordless rotary tool, I decided I'd go ahead and give it a shot. So we're going to go ahead and see what all comes in this kit, and then we'll do some comparison. So we'll get this open. This is a 4-volt mini cordless rotary tool. And it is in quite the small package, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So looks like we've got a box of attachments here. We'll get into that here in just a second. Here's the unit itself. Got a charging cord and the operation manual. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to plug in the Dremel and see what it sounds like going through the speeds. And here's one of the drawbacks. I have to find an extension cord. All right, so here's Dremel speed 1. We'll go through speeds 1 through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll try this one again. So here's speed 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the Dremel is 5,000 to 30,000 RPM, and this one is 5,500 to 15,000 RPM. So let's take a look at what comes in this kit. Now I do believe that this classifies as maybe, it is a mini cordless rotary tool, where the Dremel is going to be more of a standard size. So on a Dremel, the accessories are going to measure approximately 1/8 of an inch. 0.125 is 1/8 of an inch. And if we can check that in metric, and we're about 3.2 millimeters. But on the mini, we're going to be about 90 thou, and that is going to be about close to 2.3 millimeters. So the interchangeability is not there. If you have a Dremel, those attachments aren't going to fit this, but obviously this comes with this setup that you see here. All these drum sanding discs, these collets. You can see we've got a small drill bit here, and I'm guessing it's about 1/16 of an inch. 60 thou, so just a little under a 1/16 of an inch. And it looks like there's 2 of those drill bits, sanding drums, some extra collets, and then just some random grinding stones. We have a wheel style nylon brush, and then you have this style nylon brush, a barrel brush, I think is what we would call that. And then these grinding stones, we have one with a round profile. This is a flat where you can do an undercut. We have a cone. I believe these are for polishing. You can get down in a corner with that, and then you got the squared off edge. So if you're interested in something small, handheld, you can see I've already used this one a little bit. We just tried this out on the dash. Okay, so I just want to try and clean up some of this to see how well this works. And luckily this thing's not terribly loud. And I believe when we turn it on, it starts at speed 3. So we'll just see how this does. The whole time I ran it, the battery has not gone dead. I have not charged it since I got it. You did see it shut off a couple times, and I think when it gets under too much of a load, it'll shut itself off. And I believe that is a battery saver function, just so it doesn't tear up the battery or run the battery down. Let's see what kind of information we have in here that I need to share that I haven't already. All right, so while charging, indicator blinks, and then when it's fully charged, all the lights turn purple. And then we got package contents. The way this works is we've got the power button. It'll start on speed 3. This is your speed button. And this goes from 5,500 RPMs all the way to 15,000. And for the release, it's pretty simple. You just push the button till it pops in like that, and then you can loosen it and pull your accessory out, put a new one in, tighten it down, and you're good to go. If you have any questions about this, put those in the comments below. It's pretty inexpensive, pretty handy for little jobs, kind of like what we did here. If you'd like to see me use this on anything in particular, let me know that too, and I'll see if I can come up with something there. There is an Amazon link in the description below. You can go check this out and maybe find some more information that I didn't cover here.